Hey YouTube, this is Curious Kathy. On this travel vlog, we featured several waterfalls that we think that you ought to see when you are in the Columbia River Gorge area in Oregon. So, without further ado, let's check them out. And we are now on the Columbia River Gorge area. Our first stop is the Bridal Falls. It's a little hike from the parking lot. So we are kind of going a little bit down. So we came from there. So a little bit further, I guess. And we're still going way down. And I guess over there you can see the so there's water coming up from the falls, I think. More water comes. More rivers in this area. There's Matthew, and this is the Bridal Falls, just over there. We're gonna have a better view on this side, on that platform. Up there, at the meantime. Okay, now I'm getting scared. Matthew just went to the top of the rug. And this is quite a bit long. Look how small Matthew is. Come on, Matthew. Okay, they have safely gone down, thank God. Or else I'm going to worry. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. So, presenting the Bridal Falls. It's beautiful. What it's called? Bridal. And that is our first waterfall for the day. So we're gonna see a couple more. The ones I chose is the thing that's really cute and accessible for a lot of people. You can see here. But somebody climbed over there, so even Matthew is I think that's dangerous. Don't do that, kids. And I have said, please don't let the kids over there. Look, it's a whole family. And that's what then protects you. And we are at the Wahkeena Falls. Here. That's the Wahkeena Falls. You could feel the breeze of this cold water. Just passing by Multnomah Falls. That's the one right there. We came here when Matthew was just 10 years old, I believe. Look at the area. Yeah, it did show off and everything. So this is Multnomah Falls. We are at the Multnomah Falls. And they gotta pay parking. And the parking is how much?
Huh? $20.
$20 parking fee right here. Okay, we're going over there. Very worth it. And it's worth it. To walk, you know. But this is the best of the falls here in Oregon coast. Not Oregon coast. In the Columbia River Gorge area. On the east side. If you like, you can go up that bridge. The bridge. And all the way up there. There. And here's Matthew. He's gonna go and climb up there. He's gonna go up there. Let's see. This is the most beautiful of all the falls here. And there's Matthew. Let's check out Matthew. Gotta make him leave. Matthew! Taking a video of us. I guess there's a lot of tourists. A lot of people. And just want to say thank you again to the Lord above for giving us this experience. Thank you, Lord. Our next stop, the Horsetail Falls at the Columbia River Gorge, natural scenic area. Let's check it out. Okay, some people are already taking a dip. Check that out. Why is it called Horsetail Falls? Because it looks like a horsetail. You see from here, from this angle, kind of looks like a horsetail. And there's actually a trail here that you can take that goes, trail that way, goes to the Ponytail Falls. So we got a ponytail and a horsetail. Beautiful. And you guys know I'm a lover of waterfalls. I just love them. They're so beautiful. Oh my God. Chinook salmon? Wild salmon.
You just do it.
So which one is better?
These ones are fattier, more have more omegas, and these ones are a little leaner. They're considered a trout.
How much for one whole fish?
$12 a pound, so they're right around 12 pounds or so. So about 144. So there's a lot bigger ones. We have bigger ones. But yeah, these
You
are
guys catch them?
right out of Columbia. Yeah, it's pretty hot today, so this is all we want on. But like, if I were to sell one, I'd
What do they like to eat?
So they don't.
What are these, hon? What's that?
These are smoked sockeye. So these are salmon too. Sockeye salmon, they come in July. They average 3 to 4 pounds.
Are they smoked too?
Yeah.
And this one, what is this?
This one is wind-dried salmon.
And they are also, but this one's dry, like dried fish.
Yeah, dried. Salmon.
Cool. Oh, and this is the thing. Okay.
Smoked salmon, traditional, lightly salted.
How much for one of these? Like this one.
Yeah, $14.
Oh, okay, they're ready. There's the prices right there.
Yeah, they remember the smell of the fish.
And we are at the Bridge of the Gods. Still on the Oregon side. See, this is the Oregon side. And when you cross the bridge, that's I think, no, it's still an island, then Washington on that side. Across the bridge. And this is the Columbia River Gorge. And there are a couple of Indian tribes here that are permitted to fish. And they fish for salmon. Just like what we got. We got smoked salmon. Okay guys, this is the smoked Chinook salmon that we bought from the Indian tribe selling on this morning. So let's try. I remember trying one of these that was like, I would say like 10 years ago? Oh no, 10 or 13 years ago. When Matthew was still 10. Wow, this smoked fish. It's good. For smoked fish. I would eat this with rice. So then I'm gonna get some and eat it. Not bad. So we are still at the what area is this again? I think Garden of the Gods or something.
Cascade Locks.
No, we are at Brigham restaurant. I'll put it exactly where we are.
Cascade Locks. There's a city
Cascade Locks.
of Cascade Locks.
But the bridge here is the
Bridge of the Gods.
there you go, Bridge of the Gods. I know it's the gods. So there are Indians here. So there you have it. There are many waterfalls along the Columbia River Gorge area. So take your pick. But don't forget the Multnomah Falls, because it's the best. By the way, this vlog is brought to you by the Walds Villa Tagaytay. Come stay with us when you're visiting Tagaytay. Stay safe, God bless, and remember to enjoy your life. See you in the next video.